Top stories. Congress leader O. Ibobi says BJP will not come back this time. Massive hunt underway for escaped KCP leader Nando. And Monica JAC stresses massive sit-in protest, body yet to be claimed. Hello and good evening. Welcome to Times of Manipur. It's me, HARIPRIYA presenting today's news, and now let's have the news in detail. Election fever has begun to grip Manipur as campaigning is gaining momentum in the state. Manipur Congress Legislature Party CLP Okram Ibobi Singh today took a jab at Bharatiya Janata Party BJP and claimed that the Saffron Party, which has seated the people of India, will not come back this time. He was participating in a function to hoist the flag of Congress candidate K. James, who is contesting the upcoming Lok Sabha polls from Outer Manipur parliamentary constituency, which is reserved for scheduled tribes. The outer seat will go to poll on April 11 in the first phase. Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC President Gai Khangam, former President Tien Haukip, MLAs, former MLAs and party leaders were present during the event held at the residence of K. James, located at Sangai Pro, Mamanglekai Airport Road.
Shri Narendra Modi ki central government, state sida paliba BJP led government masi ahong baba puraudradi India su loirani Manipur su loirani aduna let us teach them in lesson haina apoi aroi bi thadra koi tawjagedori bani.
Ibobi Singh claimed that the BJP, which came to power forcibly after deceiving the people of the country after 2014 Lok Sabha polls, has been attempting to suppress the people. Ibobi urged the electorate to elect Congress candidate in the ensuing Lok Sabha polls.
Second independent movement independent fight.
Several people from different assembly segments of outer parliamentary constituency took part in the function. On the occasion, MPCC President Gai Khangam described the upcoming polls as the second battle for freedom and called on the people to defeat what the term communal. K. James expressed gratitude to Congress for fielding him as the candidate from outer constituency.
I have now told Kudingi, segment Ponipangi, Kudingi, Zati Haidana, I told Ambiraga, Mayami MPI, I say, Noigi MPI, I not so the Haro the Lapio, I say, I welcome to Observani.
A massive manhunt has been launched to nab Thokcham Nando Singh, the notorious leader of underground group Kanglei Park Communist Party KCP, faction who made a daring escape from the auto ward of Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Medical Science, JNIMS, Imphal yesterday. Nando is one of the men accused in the infamous rape and murder of Luningla Elizabeth. Manipur police has already announced a reward of ₹1 lakh to anyone who can provide information leading to his arrest. The police search every houses and places which have connection with Nando in several parts of Imphal West. Altogether, 180 houses at KB, Loksang Khung, Chingdai Kulen, Chanung and parts of Highland Court were searched by a combined team of Imphal East Commando, Borompat Police, Lamlai Police and Sagolmang Police, led by Imphal East Additional Superintendent of Police T.H. Krishna Tombi. However, no arrests were made. The alleged man accused in the Monica killing case, who is now in police custody, has been identified as Laisangthem Asakumar, aged 24 years, from Leirongthel Makhalikai. He is the father of one. Asakumar is stated to be lover of Monica. The police have also arrested 2 more suspects in the case. They are identified as Komdram Joychandra, is 30 years, from Leirongthel Awanglekai, and Kumanthem Rabichandra, is 25 years, from Leirongthel Sabalekai. And race local attacked their houses and damaged them. Meanwhile, Leirongthel Malum Club, Merapaibi and Lai Committee held a meeting at Leirongthel Community Hall and decided to punish whoever is responsible for the death of Monica and also to ostracize them from the village. The meet also condemned the accusation that the arrested suspects are backed by people of Leirongthel Malum. Leirongthel Panthoibi Youth Club, Leirongthel Malum Women Association, Leirongthel Development Women Association, and Village Development Committee, Leirongthel have also condemned the killing of Monica. Convener of Joint Action Committee against the killing of Y Monica Chandrakhong Village, Sinam Phulenjit Singh, urged Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren to initiate action to punish the man accused Laisangthem Asakumar in the killing of Y Monica. And now let's have a short break, so stay with us.
The Ramrai Ecotourism Promotion Committee is organizing a fundraising promotion event of music, mountain biking, boating, landscape photography, indigenous food and cultural shows of different communities for the development of the Ramrai Ecotourism Ramrai Village, Imphal, Manipur State, at the theme Calling a Nature Creation on 29th March 2019. Available features: 50 early birds at the event will get entry free ticket. Every photographer, cycle rider and motorcycle rider will get 50% discount on entry at the event. Bring your own cycle to ride on Ramrai track. Bring your own tent for camping and also bring your own still camera for landscape photography. Participate and win exciting prizes for the competitions at the event. Music is the movement of sound that can reach to the soul. Where words fail, music speaks. Lamjingba Jewelry na adom gidamak khwaidagi asengba sana, khwaidagi ahongba sana asamalda fanghanjari. Aikhoigi service singdi inat kyoiba design sing ready made ta fanghanjari. Singnaningai oidraba asengba sana khaktamak pizari. Manung matam sana order delivery sing pizari. Sana asamal khwaidagi nemna logzari. Nomaizing numitsu adomgi service ta leizari. Ngasimak lengsin birau Lamjingba Jewelry Private Limited, DM College Road, opposite Memsi Mall, Thangmaiban, Imphal West. Email lamjingbaJewelry@gmail.com. Website www.lamjingbagoldbank.com. Contact us at 764293445 and 940-299-2391. Lamjingba Jewelry. Good quality is our priority.
Welcome back. International Peace and Social Advancement, IPSA, will organize the Northeast Handloom Exhibition cum Cultural Actions Program 2019 in Tripura capital, Agartala, from April 5 to 9. The event aims to depict the oneness of those Manipuris who are living in different parts of Northeast. During a press meet, IPSA President Joy Chandra Kwanthausam appealed to all the walks of life to take part in the upcoming program. He said the event also aims to preserve rich Manipuri tradition and culture, dance and song and martial arts. A total of 33 stalls from Manipur will take part in the exhibition. Joy Chandra said and informed that interested person can seek details from the office of IPSA located at Kaisampat, Imphal.
Tripura da leiriba phisabsing amadi aikhoigi culture gi oiba troupsing aikoi unaduna makhoigi awa nungai aikoi wari sanaduna mafam asidaisida makhoina culture bu pamjaba amadi aikoi yungkham amadi aikoi kona saba phisalong sa singbu pamjaba leiragadi aikoi mafam asida aikoi lahanduna makoi bu aikoina paisa changandana ipsana sinja langjaraga makoi free da aikoina tamanna nabagi damakta aikoina changsinjaba adugunloba khongthangni.
The Kanglaipa Kanbalup Manipur has urged Justice Ramlingla Sudhakar, Chief Justice of Manipur High Court, to impress upon judges to declare the judgment reserved in the journalist Wangkhem Kishore Chandra versus District Magistrate of Imphal West case to have it declared as soon as possible. In a press statement, the Loop has notified that journalist Kishore Chandra has been languishing in prison for over 100 days while exercising his right to freedom of expression. His arrest has provoked an international uproar across the globe from intellectuals, right activists and leaders of media and right-thinking political leaders as well. According to the press statement, Organization Secretary General Ngamkhing Akpa Luang said that the prison authorities have also been wanting to take appropriate care of Kishore Chandra as his health has been deteriorating rapidly. With the ending of filing of nomination for Lok Sabha polls to Outer Manipur parliamentary constituency, 8 candidates from different political parties, including one independent, are likely to join the fray. They are JDU candidate Hang Khan Pao Taitung, BJP candidate Benjamin Mate, Congress candidate K. James, NAIDP candidate Asang Kasar, NPF candidate Dr. Lorho, NPP candidate Thang Milen Kipgen, NCP candidate Angam Karung Kum, and independent candidate Lekham Kaipu. Polls to the outer seat will take place on April 11 next.
Together for change we need. I message pinning.
I have said, my amdine appeal to Zabani, Marandi Nusibu, Marandi Equese, I Hamadi, Chinta Amatan Waina Equesi, Tokatmina say, Marandi Nusinaba have said, Tokatpatu later of the day, a quick Nushiraga like it again. Jimina Chak Tangba Aduga, Tangmina Chaksava Adu Yaroi, Jimishu Chaktanga, Tahandava, Chaksaminava, Tangishu Chaksava, pull up, Shimana Lemina of the day. Aduga Lamshu, Adum developed Tomina of the Equi Manipur Nushija, Equi Taina de Equi Nushiraga, Lamina was a Sukumna, Amatan Wina Muglamina say, I number one appealing, Aduga Swidana Aina, Namzawamakai, Agi, MP Magi Todamdo, Patitsana, Agi Hamda, Kungan Toranda, Aduga Lairabas Tamata, 8 of Dagani, Aduga development is a Sikata Kanzaraga, I see Mayangi Prazatamasha Bato Zagana, I took Zabani.
NPF na husi khaldeksi akune jati bijati khaidana akhoi lamdam jale ba mioi loina maksi karamba mong de hena nungsina na pan ba yana ge habisi akoi madui damakta horna jabne hariba wahai si akhoi gi hana 2017 gi mamang da paliba sarkar gi matamaduda yamna akhoi manipur si irang yam haurame 2017 dagi anauba sarkar lakpa matung dadi masi NPF ka yauraga sema matamda nungsinaba lamdam si yamna ingthaba matam si akhoi ubo phange masina sakhi oidana NPF di hanagisu hojikisu chap mane adubo sarkar duna magi attitude to hongak padi damakta 17 mamang 17 matungi ahong masi akhoi masi yamna kanna 2019 sidadi akhoi leiriba akhoi manipur gi lamdam asidagi dongda pura haraga Delhi da show akhoi si amatani nungsina panmina si habigi masigi message akhoi punana bi damakta Delhi sarketa
integrity protect the Manipur integrity. Number 2, to oppose the CAP 2016 and to protect the integrity, indigenous and culture of Manipur.
I mean Angam Karungkom, NCP candidate Outer Manipur. I know 100 lips of Maramdi Manipur labor Praja sing a Sigita Mutani. Then Kogi Manipur Sida labor issue sing a Sigi. The Shinarda boundary issue, Adigi, CAB issue, ada atai atau isu kaya musuh lagi mayam sing si ko masih senbuk sajin ba musung farna bidam ta sem na bidam ni masih da ai political party moina de masih bu ko yam phajana praja gi da moi ko ngak sin duna Manipur integrity gi da ba unity gi da mukta ngak sin na buduni madune ko pandam ji
agenda oina Manipur da jingtam amasung purip leiriba mayam si nungsi chanana moi hingminaba adugi bandam du honorable CM na mang tharga challamadu adu ehak dasu adugi adu follow tawra chakani haibisi ahanba dai namjani aduga loinana koi mamangda koi gi MP haibisi retirement post gumna veteran politician sing ahan sing tharambani hanak se ena handagi candidate barak dasu khaidi na haw ibusu oigini habis thajai aduga loinana ai si triple time double time in a walk togini habisi mayam dai.
With the wrapping up of official filing of nomination papers for the first and second phases of 17 Lok Sabha election yesterday afternoon, a total of 19 candidates, 8 in Outer Manipur Parliamentary Constituency and 11 in Inner Manipur Parliamentary Constituency, have filed their nomination papers in the state. The first phase of poll in Manipur is scheduled to be held in Outer Manipur Parliamentary Constituency, covering 28 Assembly constituency on April 11. The second phase of polling for Inner Constituency will be held on April 18. The counting of votes will take place on May 23. Hongpai Village Lambui Inter-Village Road under Kamjong Subdivision has remained useless. The road was constructed under the Pradhan Mantri Gram Sarak Yojana (PMGSY). A team of reporters paid an inspection visit to the said two villages when it was found out that the villagers were unhappy with the new road as it has been constructed around 10 kilometers away from the villages.
Hongbai to Lambuigi, PMGSY Tabak Suba, Yang Matamda, Pian the Bakala, the Makta, Asongi Makeki in a Pundok Japani, PMGSY Lambenje, Tariba Kunda Siki, Sikalabna, Moina. Taiduk zat ki basi koi penja de maram di sarkar ki program de khunja ji ki pharo to ka doji moina moi ki khudong chaba yenga moi ki sindong talaga asigum lambe na ji moi ki khudong chaba ore semdo kre lehauri bal lam khunja mayam leiri mayam ji kilometer tara hena khongna oje pmj swa lambe semdo pasi da khongda rei pod wana puthoga yoli mapam ji yabuda hobe channa dan leiri asikum kaya muksi kok na nanu demakta PMGSY gi lamben ji miyam khudong jabo ina PB ni na sarkar na pakhalak basida thiga dar ne hajara department ne hajara moi gi convenience am yenga dum chubi gre aduna nga sikum gi chakot khong nang gi porkani na anok sarkar lak basida nunga ya bangani khalam maje ekoi gi pen da kyam leire.
The proscribed Kangleipak Communist Party KCP People's War Group has been Kai Ningtibi and warned of giving capital punishment if the event management group goes against the outfit. Kai was involved in a party entitled Holy Summer recently held at Ulo. In a statement used to the media, the KCP said all people, including members of Kai, should surrender to the outfit by March 30, failing which they must accept any punishment given by the outfit. World Theatre Day was observed along with Asian Theatre Day, which falls on March 24 by the Theatre Center, Manipur at Manipur Press Club today. The event was attended by social educationist and social worker Dr. S. Manauton as the chief host, and president of Theatre Center Manipur, Nabawaripa, was the president. Well-known theatre personalities like L. Kishore Chand and L. Brajamohan were given PM Mekola Lifetime Achievement Awards on the occasion. Nabawaripa said that the government must give special attention to theatre, which has been portraying our culture and tradition to the world. An Imphal-bound further-laden truck coming from Jiribam caught fire on way somewhere in Tamenglong district, according to a report. The cause of the fire is still unknown. In another incident, several shops at Singzamai-thong, Wangma in Imphal were destroyed in a major fire. With an aim to maintain cordial relation between India and Myanmar, Lieutenant Colonel Shamlan Pool, along with Major Aksay of 43 Assam Rifles, Mori handed over gift to Myanmar Army posted at the Indo-Myanmar border on the occasion of Myanmar Army Rising Day today. And now let's have a short break.
Hello, good morning sir. Welcome to Lamjingba Motors. How may I help you?
Lamjingba Motor na miyam da kana ba piri basing se kari no.
Khudong chaba kaya ma pizari. Aikoina phanganjari ba product sing di trucks, tippers, haulage, bus, amasung chainset ni. Documents ichang dana adomi sale amadi matam manghandana loan gi khudong chaba pizari. HDFC Bank, Lamjingba Finance, amadi Sri Ram Finance kasu khutsamna na junction minari. Matik charba khutsu khulai amadi crane yauraba. Aikhoigi sport servicing van adomgi damakta matham pumbada leijari. Bus sing yonbada natana school, college, universities, office ki dama contract basis da lobi bagi khudong chaba su thamjari. Amadi genuine lay parts sing su phangbigani. Adomgi mai pakpana aikhoigi mai pakpana.
Welcome back. After repeated attacks on their candidates and supporters in different parts of the state during last few days, once again, opposition CPI-M saw the intervention of Election Commission of India, ECI, for free and fair election in Tripura and protection of their candidates, workers from attacks of the ruling party workers. The top leaders of the party had submitted another deputation before the ECI in New Delhi after a series of attacks on their candidates in Tripura. A delegation of the CPI and CPI-M, led by Politburo members Nilotpal Basu and CPI National Secretary D. Raza, met the full team of ECI. They pointed out the serious law and order situation in Tripura and West Bengal, where the ruling party goons are particularly targeting the left front and its candidates. There were physical attacks on the Tripura West Parliamentary Constituency candidates of CPI-M MP Sankar Prasad Datta thrice on March 23 last. CPI-M demanded to direct and police authority to register suo motu FIR on the incidents of attacks on the basis of these written complaints and immediate arrest of all the miscreants, deploy paramilitary forces in those areas where post-poll violence occur after declaration of assembly election results since 3rd March 2018 to remove fear from the minds of citizens and to create conducive atmosphere for polls and ensure safety and security of the candidates of opposition parties, including CPI-M and the people who attend rallies and meetings. With the election fever gripping the country, the major rallies and campaigning by the political is picking up pace in Assam, featuring the likes of BJP biggest PM Narendra Modi and Amit Shah. This week, the state will witness some major rallying as BJP Chief Amit Shah will hold the rallies at Kaliabor and Jorhat on Thursday, while Prime Minister Narendra Modi will campaign at Gohapur and Moran on Saturday. The Congress too, on the other hand, are stepping their campaigning in the state with senior leaders including President Rahul Gandhi, former Prime Minister Manmohan Singh, who will address various public rallies in the state. BJP's Ali Assom Gana Parisad leaders Atul Bora, Kesab Mahanta, AIUDF Chief Badruddin Ajmal, BPF President Hagrama Mahilari will also be seen campaigning for their party candidates. PM Modi said India has established its name as a space power. Only the US, Russia and China has the destination so far. India is fourth nation now. Indian scientists have successfully shot down a low Earth orbit satellite 300 km away in space. Mission Shakti, a difficult mission, just operated successfully in just 3 minutes, which is a proud moment for all Indians. And now let's move on newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express. 4 candidates in outer parliamentary constituencies are crore-patis. Minor girl found dead. Isaac Muiva sticks to lame demand. KCP's Nando escapes from custody. The People's Chronicle. 8 candidates clear scrutiny for outer seat. 11 join race for inner. Chief Minister notes plight for Valley Assembly constituencies in outer seat. Lok Sabha polls will be BJP v's public, says Gaikhangam. Pre-Park greets on Red Army Day, slams CAB. Imphal Free Press. Murder accused KCP Nando vanishes. A prime accused in Lungnila Elizabeth murder case escapes from Janims Hospital 4 days before judgment. 11 filed nomination for inner, 8 clear scrutiny for outer. The Morning Bell. KCP Nando, main accused in Lungnila Elizabeth murder case escapes from Janims. Manipur police announces ₹1 lakh bounty for information. All 8 candidates in outer parliamentary constituency clear scrutiny. 11 file nomination in inner parliamentary constituency. Plans to remove 8 Valley Assembly constituencies from outer parliamentary seat, says Chief Minister. 75th commemoration of Second World War held. Manipur Mail. 11 candidates in fray for inner, 8 for outer parliamentary constituency. Assam Rifles thoughts nefarious design of militants. Militant leader Nando escapes from hospital.
Before we close, let's see the top stories once again. Congress leader O. Ibobi says BJP will not come back this time. Massive manhunt underway for escaped KCP leader Nando. And Monica J. seized as a massive sit-in protest, body yet to be claimed. Thank you very much for watching Times of Manipur News Update.